Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in a sign that Microsoft wants people to move on to some new Windows or Windows 11, more and more the different pages on the Microsoft website are pinpointing to something else. If you go to the main page for Windows, you will notice that it is with Windows 11, and the Get Windows tab gives you Windows 11. And there's no mention of Windows 10. There's quite a few things that have been removed here, so it's showing you that. Also, some people have spotted that in the Windows website, a lot of the pages now have a banner at the top saying, oh, by the way, you know that Windows 10 is about to have end of support in October 2025. So Microsoft is definitely starting to tell everybody it's the beginning of the end. So this is another indication that Microsoft has absolutely really no incentive to continue Windows 10 beyond its end of support, except for, once again, we know there's going to be an extended 3 years paid extension. And so we'll see how it goes. As once again, we talk about it often, Windows 10 is so high in market share, it's pretty amazing. I see a lot of people saying, well, they have to give it free for the extension. No, they don't. And I'm pretty sure they will not. So that's the way it's going to be. They want people to move on. But you can still download Windows 10 if you go to the Windows 10 page. I'll link this to the description below, as some of you might want to have an image of Windows 10. It's the image of Windows 10 for 22H2. I believe it was updated last year, last fall or something like that. So you'll still have some updates that are going to go through. But slowly, Microsoft is giving signs that, hey, move on. Windows 10 is getting close to end of support. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.